Today my vlog is about Imran Khan. Imran Khan was a fastest bowler ever I have seen before Mr. Shoaib Akhtar. In the decade of 80s, he was the best. India toured the Pakistan when the Indipper of Imran Khan was very famous, and Indian batsmen were disappointed against him. They even cannot understand the ball which come into the bat and into the wickets, and they lost their wickets. Gavaskar, Vishwanath, Vengsarkar was the great batter of the era, but they are disappointed, rejected, and they were feeling uneven before Mr. Imran Khan. After the winning of World Cup, he came into the politics and arrived at the peak destination of Prime Minister in Pakistan. He was not only a good skipper but also a good politician. He was at the peak of fame these days, and his fan following was very high these days.
He has to go. What a misunderstanding. And very good run out there by Imran. Excellent presence of mind. And Gavaskar is out. So the breakthrough has come not because of the wicket, but because of a horrible misunderstanding. And Asif, whose fault was it?
Yes, I think that's Sunil to be blamed for that. He just saw that slight gap between the bat and pad fielder and mid-on. And the ball he just pushed very slowly without realizing that Imran could run across and stop the ball, and started for the run. And I think Arun Lal was right in saying no, because I don't think there was a run there. But Imran was very, I think he was...
India. Oh, and that one is out. Yes, he's gone. Caught at third slip. What a brilliant catch by Mohsen. And there it is, the breakthrough is there, and one can say that the decision to put them into bat justified in the very few 15 minutes.
Yes, sensational that one is. And I think there was a brilliant catch by Mohsen. It was very low to his right. The very first ball, Imran, after getting the wicket of Gavaskar with the...
Oh, brought that one in and he's out. Well done.
Yes.
India's lost their fourth wicket.
That was a good ball. Very good ball. In fact, I think Mohinder was beaten there by that Indeka, or Indipper as is popularly known, and Imran bowling wide from the crease brought that in. And Mohinder, who saw previous over before lunch.
A couple there, 60.
दोषी बोल्ड, इसलिए इस तरह भारत की इनिंग्स का इख्तिताम 169 रन पर, और इमरान खान ने दलीप दोषी को बोल्ड किया। दलीप दोषी कोई रन बनाए बगैर आउट हुए, तो मदन लाल जो हैं वो 3 रन उन्होंने बनाए और आउट नहीं हुए।
Couple there left.
खेल सके और बोल्ड हो गए।
बहुत ही आला गेंद थी। इस गेंद इमरान ने जो अभी तक गेंद कर रहे थे वो शॉर्ट पिच गेंद कर रहे थे और काफ़ी तेज़ कर रहे थे, लेकिन चूंकि विकेट में ज़्यादा जान नहीं है, उन्होंने मूवमेंट्स पर रिलाई करके इस गेंद को काफ़ी आगे फेंका, और गवास्कर जो बैकफुट पर आए थे उसकी इमरान की तेज़ गेंद को रोक न सके और वो गेंद अंदर आकर उन्हें बोल्ड कर दी। ये बहुत ही कीमती विकेट था जहाँ तक पाकिस्तान का ताल्लुक है। इस विकेट से अब इंडिया की जो बैटिंग है वो अंडर प्रेशर आ गई है। जैसा कि आप रिप्ले में देखेंगे, इमरान क्रीज को यूज़ करते हुए विकेट्स के बहुत ही क्लोज आकर गेंद की, और शायद गवास्कर ने इनसाइड एज भी उनका लगा है।
इमरान ने विश्वनाथ को बोल कर दिया। विश्वनाथ ने इस गेंद को छोड़ा था, वो समझे कि शायद ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर होगी, लेकिन गेंद ऑफ स्टंप पे थी, तो पाकिस्तान ने एक और कामयाबी ज़बरदस्त हासिल की, और वो भी कामयाबी उनके कप्तान इमरान खान की शानदार बॉलिंग की मरहून मिन्नत है, और तमाम साथी जो हैं इमरान के वो उनको मुबारकबाद दे रहे हैं।
ये ओवर इमरान ने जो विश्वनाथ ने किया, ये बेस्ट ओवर ऑफ द इनिंग्स था अभी तक। उन्होंने सारे ओवर में विश्वनाथ को काफ़ी मुश्किल से विश्वनाथ उनकी गेंदों का सामना कर सक रहे थे, और इस विकेट के साथ ही इमरान ने टेस्ट क्रिकेट में 200 विकेटें भी ली, और ये वाहिद पाकिस्तानी बॉलर हैं जिन्होंने टेस्ट क्रिकेट में 200 विकेटें अभी तक पाकिस्तान के लिए ली हैं। इमरान चूँकि अब काफ़ी तेज़ गेंद कर रहे हैं, लेकिन जो विकेटें उन्होंने 2 ली हैं,
ये मतलब फिर देखिए एक्शन रिप्ले,
ये गेंद उन्होंने काफ़ी आगे पिच किया, और विश्वनाथ एरर ऑफ जजमेंट से उसे छोड़कर वो गेंद बहुत ही अंदर आया, और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि वो ऑफ
There's an appeal for LBW and he's out. Yes, that ball came in. Moinder going forward and he's out, LBW. And Imran has struck again. The eagle has swooped and there it is. 112 for 4.
Yes, there it is, the replay. You can see, I think that ball kept low, and Mohinder coming forward, but not as much as he would have liked to, and the ball just coming in and beating his bat and got him on the front foot. The ball did keep low.
To left. He's bowled him! Clean bowled! What a magnificent delivery, and this is an incredible spell. The greatest that one can see from a great fast bowler. There he is. He's completely electrified this crowd, and in fact he's brought them to their feet. Just look at them. There he is, inset, the hero, the darling, and certainly today the toast of Pakistan. Just watch him. His delight writ large, and he's looking towards the pavilion waiting for the next scalp. Imran, 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 and that's what everyone is shouting here. Imran Zindabad, well, he deserves every accolade.
Incredible performance. I think on a wicket like this, the way he is bowling and the wickets that he has got, it is remarkable. Not only it was quick, but also it moved quite a lot. And Sandeep, with his big back left, was unable to cope with it. Magnificent delivery.
Won the first round of the Kapil Dev Imran show. Kapil Dev is bowled, and India in very, very serious trouble, to say the least, and there he is. He's won this personal rivalry which he has, all in good spirit, but he's bowled him. Kapil Dev is out, bowled by Imran, and Imran has got his 5th wicket. He's only given comment.
Yes, I think Kapil has got an inside edge to it. Yes, he did. I think what happened was Imran trying to...
That's a good delivery. There's an appeal for a catch behind and he's out. That's the breakthrough. Rings Harkar gone. Fourth bari, bowled Imran.
Well, it was a good ball just outside the off-stick. The batsman tried to play it. Possibly the ball swung a little bit late, you know, and got the outer edge of the bat. And it was a confident appeal by the wicketkeeper, and which was allowed by the umpire. The batsman is out. Venk Sarkar, who played a lone hand till day 4.
And a gully to greet Maninder. Imran bowling from the pavilion end.